Man, this case is a slam dunk. I'm totally gonna win this contest. It's a slam dunk. Hi friend, welcome to Let's Talk Context, American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions. I'm Ethlyn. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about the expression, a slam dunk. What does it mean? Before we get into the lesson, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you'll know every time we release a new video. Okay, so in the first example, I said, this case is gonna be a slam dunk. Notice I'm excited when I say it. I'm enthusiastic. In the second example, I said, you know what, I'm gonna win this competition. It's a slam dunk. So what does this expression, a slam dunk, mean? It's affiliated with the sports world. In basketball, when you shoot a basket and it goes in, you say it's a slam dunk. Now, the idea is it's a sure win. I'm definitely going to win. It's not going to be a problem. There aren't going to be any obstacles. So in the first example, when I say this case is going to be a slam dunk, I say that because I'm confident that I'm going to win the case. I know that what I am bringing to the table is definitely going to lead to me winning the case. In the second example, when I said I'm going to win the competition, it's a slam dunk, it's because I know that the people who are going against me, my competitors, they aren't as talented or as skilled as I am, so the judges have no choice but to pick me. So we use this expression when we are confident about something. We are confident we're going to win something. Well, that's it for today's lesson. To learn more American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions, hit the subscribe button. And if there are American English idioms, phrasal verbs, and expressions that you would like to learn, write them in the comment section. See you next time.